In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an email notification for form submissions in Elfsight. Let's get started. To receive form submissions directly in your email inbox, go to your Elfsight dashboard and find the Form Builder widget you want to edit. Click Edit to open the widget settings. Inside the editor, go to the Email tab and select Notify Me. From there, enable the Email Notifications option so the widget can start sending submission alerts to your mailbox. Next, enter the email address where you want to receive the submissions. Make sure the address is correct so you do not miss any messages from your forms. After that, customize the sender name and subject for the email notifications. In the message field, it is important to include mail tags. These mail tags automatically pull the information submitted through the form and help prevent receiving empty emails. You can find a list of available mail tags displayed below the message field inside the editor. Once everything is set up, save your changes. Your Form Builder widget will now automatically send every form submission directly to your email inbox. That's how you can set up email notifications for form submissions in Elfsight. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.